I'm weaving in Baltimore. Leaders of a beautiful struggle, take some notes. I'm weaving in Baltimore. This for the Aspen Institute. This for the Weavers Association. I won the 2021 Weaver Award. So I'm going to tell you about Baltimore and the money behind the machine from 2006 to now. It's a tapestry. A tapestry of justice. Feel me? It's the money behind the machine. That's Scott Shellenberger. And we talking about the death and the murder in our cities. We don't run the city. No, the corruption runs the city. Justin Fenton, ask Judge Bell. We going up in smoke behind this war on drugs. It's a new lens production. You feel me? Community Innovative Award, Dwayne Shorty Davis. Dwayne Shorty Davis got a story called Shorty. You feel me? That's me. But we're going to talk about Bank of America and SunTrust Bank. That's Bank of America. And she's my witness. Patricia Cook is my witness. Bill Ferguson, you don't deserve to serve. You feel me? That's a mail receipt. That's Peter Franchot. And before the 2022 elections, y'all need an audit. That's Peter Franchot. We talking about $250 million. Contact that lawyer. All right? That lawyer know me very well. You feel me? He know me very well. We talking about the money behind the machine, the corruption. I'm a caterer. My wife been in this house. My son been in this house. Ask him about Shorty. That's Sheila Dixon. That's her signature. All right? That's her signature. We talking about Sheila Dixon. We talking about we talking about Sarbanes. Because I'm going to pull your card in 2022. We talking about Jack Young. We talking about Trey Murphy from the Algebra Project. You feel me? We talking about Tony White, Communications Director. We talking about Kenny Ebron. We talking about voter suppression by the Democratic and the Republican Party. And we're going to send this information to them because, like I said, I was making a movie about y'all. You don't deserve to serve, Stephanie Smith. That's President Obama. He asked for an investigation. I'm a member of Creative Alliance. And if you go to the Creative Alliance on July the 16th, I got another showing. You feel me? I've been a member of the Creative Alliance since 2010. That's Erek Barron of the Department of Justice. Like I said, get my paperwork. That's Carl Sullivan, Governor Hogan's office. Like I said, Board of Elections. Sheila Dixon. We're talking about public defenders working with the state's attorney to incarcerate Baltimore. A class action lawsuit exposing the corruption. That's Barry Freelander. He's my client. I did his daughter's graduation. She went to St. Paul's Girls' School. His daughter back in 2007. You feel me? That's Robin Hood Association. All right? Ask Karen York and Nicole Mundo. Y'all sent me to New York to see this man. Westmore. That's Mary Washington. We're going to talk about the conversations we had. Checks and balances. We're going to talk about your 401ks, how it's tied to the prison industry. The money you make off black bodies. We're going to talk about Dwight Pettit, Warren Brown, J. Wendell Gordon, Malcolm Ruff. Yeah. We're going to talk about the lawyers in Baltimore that claim to be black leadership and they're not. Like I said, that's the Lou Clippinger. We talk about Lou Clippinger, Brooke Learman. We're going to go to the Department of Justice, Civil Rights Division. Because like I said, a class action lawsuit. State of Maryland, Public Defender's Office. Jazzy Lewis. If you got knowledge, then you got to act on that knowledge. That's Pete Welch. We're going to talk about your mother's retirement party in 2010. We're going to talk about Julie Sharper. We're going to talk about McFadden. We're going to talk about Branch. We're going to talk about all y'all. Because I ran for office in 2014. You feel me? 2014, you had me removed from the ballot. That's voter suppression. You feel me? Told you I was making a movie about Senator Cardin's. And we're going to do it all about you. It's a can of whoop ass. Y'all got a can of whoop ass. And the Department of Justice got that. That's Landers. That's GOP Carter. And that's Brown, 2014. You feel me? And that's the Stop Snitching video. That's Jeff Majors, TV One, Radio One, Kathleen Hughes. All right? And like I said, I'm the Weaver, 2022. We're making a movie about Baltimore. New Lens production. And this was it's about evidence. And these are the cases. I never got a trial. Illinois, Maryland, city, county, state, and federal levels. We're going to shine the light on this one. That's Lieutenant Governor Anthony Brown, Dwayne Shorty Davis, Baltimore County Detention Center. You feel me? You got to turn over that DVD. Because like I said, that's Kathleen Ash from the film office. Kathy Ash. She worked for the state of Maryland. It's making a movie about your corruption. Ed Norris. And it's very much in here. 2006, drug shakedown. I told you all about the gun task force in 2006. And here you go right here. Judge Boris, Governor O'Malley, Governor Quinn, Judge Bell, Mr. Snowden, General Civil Rights Division, Patrick Fitzgerald, Attorney General, Lisa Madigan, Attorney General, Chicago, Baltimore, FBI, released the videos and filed, NAACP Office, Civil Rights Division, Senator Cardin's, World Community, Congressman Cummings, Congressman Jackson. If Congressman Jackson can go to jail and Congressman Cummings ain't here no more, then Cardin's can go to jail. That's Judge Boris. Like I said, you kidnapped me from my home, 1402 Lochner. That's a public notice. You feel me? A notarized in Carroll County. I was making a movie about y'all. If Blagojevich can go to jail, you got 52 members of the Democratic Party can go to jail. In regards to your documentary, I would not be able to appear. My office can be of any assistance to you. That's 2007. We talking about the murder and the death of our kids. That's the city of Baltimore. You feel me? The supporters of Shorties. And I gave that to y'all. And these are the supporters of Shorties. See the pages? See the pages? See the pages? These are the supporters of Shorties. And I got more pages from 2007. You feel me? 8/22/2007. I got thousands and thousands of names that people participated in this. I was kidnapped by the state on February the 7th, 2011, because I was making a documentary. The documentary was about your prison industry. You feel me? Your judges and your lawyers. So in 2022, we're going to finish what we started. You don't deserve to serve. Delegate Stephanie Smith, all the evidence that you got to turn over. Because if you don't, you go to the Creative Alliance on July the 16th. It's there. All this information, I'm sending to the Board of Elections. I'm a whistleblower on the courts. I'm a whistleblower on your prison industry. I'm not a snitch. A whistleblower does it to change the conditions. And we're talking about the conditions in the Baltimore City and Baltimore County detention centers. We're talking about the conditions in the courts, the corruption in the courts, the public defenders that work with the state's attorneys to incarcerate Black America. 2022, we're going to the Supreme Court. If Roe versus Wade can go, I can go too. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Well, we're going to take this can of whoop ass to court. GOP Carter, everything you got, you're going to have to turn over. Everything you got, you're going to have to turn over. Everything you got to turn over. It's the art of getting money. It's the art of getting money.